children, today's topic is play with patterns. This topic is very familiar to you because we have already discussed about patterns in your previous classes. So let's see what new things we are going to learn in this lesson. So you can see the picture of a block. This is a block to make saris. This kind of pattern or these type of patterns you have seen in saris your mothers wear, or on bed sheets you have seen these kind of patterns, or on curtains also you have seen these kinds of pattern. So these kind of patterns are made from wooden blocks. Okay, colors are sticked on these blocks and this kind of pattern can be made. So from the same block, this pattern and this pattern is made. So using the same block we can make different kind of patterns. Now by the end of this lesson, what you are going to learn is differentiate the patterns. You can see what are the differences between the patterns. Identify the rotation and repetition of patterns. You can also solve the numbers using pattern rules. Tabulate the patterns in a calendar. That also we are going to learn in this lesson. Now see here, some patterns are given to you in your book. The patterns are not completed. You can see in the first box there is one leaf, and when you turn on the right, one more leaf is added in the next box. Again turn right and one more leaf is added, and if you again turn right, then again one more leaf is added. So you can see what is happening in this pattern. They are turning and adding one leaf. So after 4 leaves are there, after this again started with 1 leaf. So in this box what we will do, we will draw 1 leaf, then turn and then draw 1 more leaf. Like this you have to complete the pattern. Like this. Now see in the next pattern, the arrows are upside. In the first pictures the arrows are upside, and when you look at the next picture the arrows are downwards. In the third picture the arrows are upside but one more arrow is added. In the second picture the arrows are downwards. So what we will draw in the next box, we will draw like this. How many arrows we will draw? 5. We will add one more arrow. So like this you have to complete the pattern. Now look at the next picture. This portion is colored. This circle is divided into 4 parts, and this part is colored, and the next one, this part is white, and now the next part is colored. Now again in the third picture, the next part of the picture is colored, and the earlier one is white now. So how will we draw the pattern? You can draw the pattern like this and colored it like this. This one is colored and the remaining all the parts are white. So like this you have to again draw the circle, again color the same. Follow the pattern. Now these are shape patterns. The next patterns that we are going to see is number patterns. Now see here, we started with the easy one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. What else will come here? J, K, L, and so on like this. The next 3 alphabets will come here. Then next 3 alphabets will come here. Then 28Z, 27Y, 26X. What pattern is following here? We are going backward in counting. 28, 27, 26. And also if you see the alphabet, we are moving backward in alphabet also. Z, Y, X. So like this you have to complete the pattern. Now next one. 864, 764, then 664. Here you can see the ones and tens place is not changing. 64, 64, 64. But the 100 place number is changing backward. 8, 7, 6. So here the number will be 564. Like this you have to complete. Then next one. 9, 109, 209. So what will come here? 309, or you can say 309. Like this you have to complete this pattern. Or in the next question you can make your own patterns. Okay, in the previous questions the patterns is given to you and you have to complete those patterns. But in the next question you can make your own pattern. So I am leaving this one for you. You can easily complete, you can easily make a new pattern. Now see the number pattern here. There are some more examples out of your book. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So what number will come in the next blank? So you can see how many numbers we are jumping. So 1 is written here, 2 is missing, then we written 3. So 3 is here, 4 is missing, then 5. 6 is missing, 7. 8 is missing, 9. Then after 9, 10. We will not write 10 here. We will skip 10 and write here 11. Now next question. 17, 14, 11, 8 and 5. So look here. 17, after 17, 16, 15 is missing, 14 is written. Then 13 and 12 is missing, 11 is written. So here the gap is -3. We are subtracting -3, -3, -3. So with the last, in the last number also, if we subtract 5 minus 3, we get the answer 2. Now see here in the next pattern 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We are skip counting here 5. We are skipping 5 numbers and writing the next number. So after 25 we will skip 5 numbers and write here 30. Like this. Okay. Now come to the next question. Magic. You will think how we'll do magic in maths, but yes, maths can let you do magic also. So this is a calendar, and in previous classes also we have find out that there is a magic square in the calendar. एक magic square होता है, magic rectangle you can say. So magic in this magic rectangle, when you add all these numbers you get the same answer. So let's find out if this is a magic rectangle or not. You can add up the numbers and find out. Now next question. See here on the cloud, or you can say it is magic cloud. When you add these numbers you get the same answer. Like if you add these numbers in a line, 7 plus 4 is 11 and 11 plus 1 is 12. So here we are getting 12 answer. Okay. If you add 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4 is 9 and plus 3 is again 12. So whenever you are adding these numbers in a line, you will get the same answer. 6 plus 4 is 10 and 4 plus 2 is 12. So answer of this sum of these three numbers is also 12. Then which number is left? Yes, we have done all these three. So you can see that whenever we add the three number, we can add up like this, these three number or these three number or these three numbers. We are again and again getting the same answer, 12. Okay. So let's come to the next part. These are secret messages. How can we develop a secret messages? So see this girl. She's asking, what are you doing? The boy is saying, I am trying to read the note my friend gave me, but I cannot understand it because his friend has written only numbers. So he's not able to understand what's the message is, because it's a secret message. So this girl, whose name is Minnie is saying there is a rule. What rule is it? That J is 10, P is 16, so jump is 10, 21, 13, 16. So like this, first of all, what you have to do? You have to fill this table so that you can decode the message. I, J, K, L. Like this, you have to write all the alphabets. Okay. And each alphabet is getting its number. So after 5, F is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and so on. Like this. We are writing number for each alphabet. Okay. So when we want to decode the message, we have to simply look at the number and find out the alphabet. Like Tinu wants to write to his friend good morning. So G means 7. O means 15, 15. D means 4. Good. In secret language, I have written good, and now I am going to write morning. So M is 13. Then O is 15. R is 18. N is 14. I is 9. Then again 14. And then G is 7. So we ourselves also can write secret messages to our friends. Okay, you can also change the rules. Okay, like if we change the rule and write 1 in place of B, अगर हम 1 लिखेंगे B की place पे, तो D कौन सी place पे आएगा? 3 number पे. तो like this, you can write let us dance. You can write in numbers. ठीक है. अब क्या हुआ? B का actual number 2 था. ठीक है. But we have given it 1 number. तो अब क्या होगा? L जो है वो 12 प्लेस पे है, तो 12 की जगह एक नंबर आगे हम लिख सकते हैं 11, क्योंकि हमने B को 1 कर दिया है तो सब नंबर्स एक एक नंबर शिफ्ट हो गए हैं. जैसे D है वो एक एक नंबर आगे शिफ्ट हो गया है. तो L का एक्चुअल नंबर अभी हमारे पास 12 है, तो हम इसको एक नंबर आगे शिफ्ट कर देंगे और लिखेंगे 11. E is 5, तो वी विल शिफ्ट इट टू 4. T is 20, but now it is 19. So like this you can do this. Okay. Now let's do the other questions. Okay, like this you can make your own secret messages and change the rule, and you can get in your friend circle you can give secret messages to your friend. So like this you have to write meet me on the moon. Like these sentences you have to write, and this is written in secret messages. So what they are doing, these children change the rule again. What rule they are following? They are writing like yes, they have to write. So if they want to write yes, what they are doing, they are in place of the letter they are writing the next letter. जैसे Y की जगह they are writing Z. In place of E, because after E F comes, so they are writing F. S की जगह पे T. So now if somebody sees this word, he will not able to understand what is written. But जिनको ये secret code पता है, they can easily find out that it is yes is written here. And like this you can decode this message also. X in place of X, that means what is written in place? W. Okay. In place of E, F, E. So like this you will decode this message. Now come to the, you will do it yourself. It is very easy. You have to just find out the rule for the messages to decode it. So you will complete this question in your textbook, and I hope you understand these questions.